Hi, I'm Phil Sadler, Sales Executive here at Wrexham Volkswagen. I'm going to show you around our Volkswagen Touran. This is the 1.4 petrol DSG. It's 150 brake horsepower. The R-Line model gives you the nice body trim around the front, rear. And as I say, it's finished in the grey with the black trim. You've got the black and silver alloy wheels, the 18-inch alloys. Really nice looking car. Nice and spacious inside. You've got the R-embossed seats. And so you've got the black roof liner. 3 individual seats with ISOFIX seating and easily accessible to the rear. So at the moment it's just as a 5-seater. It's got front and rear parking sensors. And as I say, as a 5-seater, it's massive space and easily pulling up like so to become a 6-seater, or the other one is a 7-seater. And like I say, as an approved use, comes freshly serviced, 2 years warranty. Inside you've got sat-nav, multifunction flat bottom leather steering wheel. It's done 25,973 miles. You've got climate control, obviously DSG box, automatic headlights and electric heated folding wing mirrors. So if you're interested in this car and would like further details, please make sure when you inquire you ask for myself, that's Phil Sadler, and hopefully we can chat further. Many thanks.